So what we want to do now is we want to set up a blog. You know, you installed your theme. Let me visit your website. Uzoka. Uzoka.love.
Yes, sir.
To blog. Okay. Now go to, if you have installed the demo, go to menu, go to appearance. Sorry, go to appearance. Let me show you what we want to do now. punchng.com.
báwo ló ti wá jáde àbí kò bá mi nílé tó gbé sí kọ́rídọ̀ ní àdúgbò ló gbé sí.
Okay, do you see this Punch website?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you check it now, we have home, we have news, we have featured, we have Metro Plus, we have business, sports, Earthwise. Can you see the menu? Can you see the menu? News.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the first thing we'll learn now is,
Yes, sir.
okay, the first thing we'll learn now is, let's learn how to create menu. You know, on some website you will see home, about us, contact us, what again? What again?
Portfolio.
Yes, or frequently asked questions and all that. Contact us. Now let's see how we can arrange menu. So now, who will share your? Someone should share this our screen. Share your screen if you are there. Share your screen so that I'm
using phone.
Okay, Mr. George, are you using phone?
Yes, I'm also using phone.
Oh.
But if we can share with phone, can I share with my phone?
Okay. It will not be too clear. Let me do it from here. Just be following.
Okay.
Now I will go to appearance.
Sir.
Something is blocking your screen.
Okay.
Gemini API for developers.
Okay. Sorry. Let me share the main. Let me share my backend. Okay. Now, when you want to create menu, I sent one material, then maybe I'll still make reference to it. We have two types of let me say pages, or let me say categories. Number one, we have the categories. Then number one, we have the pages. A page is used for static content. Static content like contact us, because your contact us will always be your contact us, you know, except you just want to edit, maybe change phone number in case you lost your number or so. About us is always about us. What again? Your home page, if it is a business website or a company website, then you want to have a static home page, like a company. Now, if I visit your website, what I will meet there today is still what I will meet tomorrow, because it is a company website. Like this one you are seeing on my screen now. This one you are seeing professional sport coach or something. This one now, this professional sport coach, this one. Now that's the home page. That one will always be there. That one will always be like that, because it is a company or a personal website. But when you are building a blog website like this punch.ng now, if you come here in the next 20 to 30 minutes, you will meet another news here. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. Because this is a blog. Like, this is a blog. So what you will keep seeing here will always be different. What you will see here will be based on the latest news. So when you post new one, it will replace old one. You place another one, it will replace the old one. So those ones you use categories, not pages. Do you get it now?
So I want to ask a question.
Okay. Yes, you can ask.
Okay, that those this blog that you are talking about, is it auto generated, or it is somebody that will put those stuff there
The
and it will not be updating?
the content, I mean, like the news.
Yes, the content.
No, you really want to put the content now. I will show you how you post. Like, I will show you how you post. We'll still do that too. I said the contents. People are the ones posting it there, just the way you post on Facebook.
Okay.
But they do have many people, so it's not like one person. Okay, so now we want to create our own categories now. I will go back to my panel. Let me zoom it out. The first thing I want to do is you need to know what's it called? You need to know what you want to do. Like, you need to know what you are writing on, what your blog is about. Let's say our blog now is about just politics. Our blog is about politics, entertainment, and maybe sports. Politics, entertainment, sports. I'm just like citing an example. So if my blog post is about politics, entertainment, and sports, I should also know that under politics we have different categories. We can have elections. We can have maybe what again? What can we have under politics again?
Parties.
Yes, political parties. Stuff like that. Then under sport, we can have football. We can have golf. We can have basketball. Under entertainment, let's just say we have music and video, for example. Now, I have already known all those ones. So those ones now are my blog categories. You get it? Then I will have a page now, like contact us, about us, and fact, like frequently asked questions. Let's just assume. So to create that now, I will go to post, because since I am dealing with blog and I want to be posting, so this is where you listen now so that you understand how it works. Since I want to be posting news on election and all of that, I will go to post and create categories. Now I first need to go and create my politics. Okay, let me bring it. I will type politics. If you are in this interface now, let me know. Go to post. Then under post you see categories. Go to post. Then under post you go to categories. Is anybody there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. So now the name is the name that people will see up there. Name is what people will see up there. Then slug is, you can still put the same thing as politics, just small letter. Politics. The slug now means when somebody types in your domain name something.com/politics, it will take the person to a category called politics. And we will see later how when you are posting, you can be putting this post belongs to politics. You will just say, okay, go to politics. This post belongs to sport, go to sport. This one belongs to football, go to football. Like there's a way we do it. So you see how we do that when we get to post now. Then this parent category, if you check it, politics is the one on top. Under it we have election and we have political parties. But politics now is not under anything. So politics is a parent. Political party and what again? Election. They are the children of politics. Do you get what I just said now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please, repeat that.
Political party is the parent. Under political parties, we have that, like the subcategories, subtopics. We have under political party, we have under politics, we have political party and what? An election. So election and political parties, they are under politics. So it means political party and elections are the children of politics. Politics is the parent. Political party and elections, they are the children. Under entertainment, we have music and video. Music and video are the children of entertainment. Under sports, we have football, we have volleyball, we have golf. They are the children of football. Football and sports, sports is the parents. Football, volleyball, golf, and others, they are the children of football. Do you get it?
Yes.
So description, it is optional. You can leave it and you can, let me just copy politics and paste there again. So what I'm trying to say now is this political party now, and this politics now, does not have any parents. It's a parent on its own, so it doesn't have any parents. So we'll say none, that is, does not have any parents. Then I will click add category. Okay, when you see it, it will appear here by the right hand side. You will see it here. Let me zoom it. Okay, see it here, politics. Can you see it? Okay, the next one now, I'll create, what do we have again? Election. You can just create all of them in no particular order. Let me say election. Let me say elections. I will put here again slug elections. Now, who can tell me the parent of election now? What's the parent of election?
Politics.
Yes, so now we choose politics as the parent. Then I can come here and say elections too. Add category. Okay, the next one is what again? Political. Let me just say parties. Log political. Now, in this log, when you put space, it will automatically convert it to item later up there, because you can't have space in your URL. So let me just put it directly political parties. Then it's still under politics, so I will leave it. Then I will add it. We have the next one, let's say sports. Slug. Sports. Okay, what's the parent of sports?
Sports.
No, I mean, what's the parent of sports?
We say entertainment or sports.
Sport does not have any parent now. Sport is standing alone.
So sport is okay. Okay. None. Okay. Okay.
Sport is the parent on its own.
Okay.
So I will change it to none. So now when I'm adding football now, sport will be the parent. Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Then slug football. Then the parent of football now is sports. Under it again, sports. Add. Then let me add basketball. Under it again, basketball. It's still under sports. Basketball. Add. Now let's add entertainment now. Entertainment. Slug. Entertainment. Then what's the parent of entertainment? What's the parent of entertainment? Hello? Hello, what's the parent of entertainment? Hello, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what's the parent of entertainment?
That should be No. Like it should be none because entertainment is the parent.
Yes, so none. And I'll say entertainment. Yeah, correct. Then the next one now is music. So what's the parent of music now?
I think it must be entertainment.
Yes, entertainment. Yes.
Entertainment.
Yes. Then what again? Video. Let me say video. Video. You see entertainment. Video. Yes. Now let's assume we have created our category. We have our entertainment, we have our sport, we have our politics. Okay, remember, let me recap. I went to post, then I click on categories. Post, then categories to create my categories. But before even coming here, you should have known your categories and the subcategories. My categories now are entertainment, sports, and politics. The subcategory under entertainment is video and music, which are the children of entertainment. Basketball and football, they are children of politics. Political parties and elections are the children of politics. Basketball and football are the children of sports. Okay, now we are done with that. If you want to add later on, you can still come here to add. You can edit. If you want to edit, you can just touch it. Let me zoom it. You can touch it and say edit, or you say quick edit. Okay, if I say quick edit, it will open it for me to, maybe I want to rename the categories and the subcategories. Then you update category. Now we are done with categories. Is anybody creating too, or are you creating your own?
I was just watching, but I will create. Okay. I will take my time to do it.
Okay. Just think of your own concept first. Think of what you want to write blog posts about. Because I believe by now, after this class, you should be able to set up your blog. So the next thing is, you see, if I visit my website now, let me visit it, LearnItPedia. So if I visit my website now, you see the menu. There is nothing now. See my website. You see there is no menu on my website. Do you get it? I don't have any menu now. Now if I want my menu to appear, I will go to my appearance, categories, post. Under post, we created our categories. Now if you want it to show on your website, you go to appearance. Remember, if you want to deal with theme, you go to appearance. If you also want your categories now, your menu to show, I will go to appearance. Then I will go to menus. I believe we know menus now on our website. When you see a website, you know the menu. Home, about us, contact us. Or for a blog, you may want to see politics, entertainment, Afrobeat, hip hop, and all that. So I will go to appearance. Then I will click on menus. Okay, now any menu you see that appears on this page, let me share this post. You see any menu you see here is called primary menu. You either call it primary menu or main menu. We call it primary menu or main menu. Any menu you see here is called primary menu or main menu. It is called primary menu or main menu. So I've been repeating it because I will come back here now. I want to create a menu, so I will name it. Let me say main. Let me call it. You can call it anything. I'll call it main menu. You can call it anything, but always come down here. Let me zoom it very well so that we can see. You see this place? You will mark menu. Your own may be primary, your own may be main. My own is main. Your own may be primary and it may be main. So if it is main, just check that box. If it is primary, you check the box. Then after that, you click on create menu. The name of my menu, remember, is what? Main menu. And I've marked it that it is my main menu. I'll say create menu. Are we following? Hello, are we together?
Yes, sir, but I didn't see where you marked it. How you got to the place you marked it?
No, I said you go to appearance, then click on menus. Go to appearance, then click menus. It will bring you here. Go to appearance, click on menu, then it will bring you here. Do you get it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will click save now. Alright. Now, after creating it, we now want to add items to our menu. If you check my screen, I'm saying add menu items from the column on the left. Add menu items from the column on the left. What did we create? We created what? Categories. Is that right? So I will open my categories. When you open your category, you will not see anything. You will click on view all. When you click view all, you will see all those categories we created. We have our entertainment, we have our music, we have our video, we have politics, we have elections, all of that. Now I want to add all of them now to my menu. I can still say select all, but there is one called uncategorized. That one will always come with WordPress. Do you get it? So I will unmark that one now because I don't need that uncategorized. I only need entertainment, politics, sport, and all of that. So I will now click on add to menu. When you click add to menu now, it should appear here where we have add menu items from the column on the left. Hello, are we together? Hello, are we together? Hello? Hello, are we together? Hello?
You are
Sorry, you said?
together, sir. We are together, sir.
We're together, sir.
Okay. Now, when I click on add to menu, you see all of them, they have appeared. So if I save it now, and I come back to let me share my website now. I have saved it. Now let me refresh this page now. Let's see what will happen. Just observe, you will tell me what you see. So what can you see now?
Okay, you can see
You can see all the categories, is that right?
all the categories. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you have seen all the categories, but if you check it well, entertainment, music and video should be under entertainment. So that when I touch entertainment, that's when music and video should appear. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So it should be like a sub menu. Not that everything will just show at once. Now we scroll down to achieve that. Now you scroll down. You know, music and video, they are under entertainment. So you can just hold your music, drag it to the right a little. Hold your video, drag it to the right a little. Then leave politics. Politics is a parent. Election is under politics. You hold it, drag it to the right a little. Politics, hold it, drag it to the right a little. If you know how to drag on, just hold your mouse and shift it to the right. hold it, shift it to the right, then save menu. Now let's go and refresh and see what has happened now. Okay, can you see my screen? Let me show you what has happened. When I touch entertainment, can you see?
Yeah,
Do you get
I can see.
do you get
Yeah, crystal clear.
Yes, okay. I believe by now you should be able to achieve this. I created categories. I went to post. Under post you see categories. Then I went to menu, appearance. Then under appearance I saw menu. I clicked menu. Then I went under menu. Now I created a menu. I made it my primary menu. I said you may make it primary or you make it main menu. After making it, you go to your categories and select all the categories you made to add to your menu. Then if you want to arrange it the way I arrange it, you shift it to the right a little, shift it a little, shift it a little. Then you will achieve this. So I believe I'm recording the screen, so in case you can watch. So since you are attending the class now, when you are watching, it becomes very easy. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, what if I want sports to be the first, entertainment to be the last or second? All you need to do is just to carry the spot, just hold it and drag it. All the children will follow. Drag it up. See, you can move entertainment. You can even move entertainment down. You can move it anywhere. No, let me shift it to the left. No, I want entertainment to be. Yeah, okay. Do you understand now? You can drag it up, drag it down, anyhow you like. So I can save it, and here you have it. Okay, now do we understand? Can I move forward a little? Hello, can I move?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. George, are you there? Hello, Mr. George, are you there?
Mr. George.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay, now let's see. Let's post. Now we want to make a post. We want to post under politics. Let me post under politics now. So I can open my AI. Okay, now I've opened ChatGPT. I believe we can all use ChatGPT. Let me just say AI should write a blog post on corruption and the way out in Nigeria. Okay, let me just write a blog post on corruption and way out in Nigeria. Let me send it. I'm just writing a random blog post. So now we want to see how we can create a post and send it. Now when I'm creating this post now, I want to put it under politics. I want the post to be just under politics. Are we together now? Okay, I don't know, the AI is not loading. Hello, can we hear me?
Yes, Crystal.
Okay, I don't know why the AI is not loading. Let me use another AI. Okay, it's writing it. So to do that, I will come here. I will go to posts. If you are seeing my screen, okay, let me share. Yeah, let me share the screen. You can use two methods to add a post. You can come up here. Up here, you see. Let me zoom it well. You see new. When you see new, let me see new post, new post, or you can come to the left and say post. Under post, where I created the category, now this time around you will click on add post. Then when I click add post, it will take me to a place where I can put the title of my post and the body of my post. So it's loading now. Think of your own your own blog. Think of a blog. Think of your categories, the way we did it, the parents and the children. You can think of your own sport, real estate. Just think of any blog, anything you want to write about, fashion or what have you. So you now create your own categories, then make sure it appears in your menu. So when you do it and it appears in your menu, then you will send your link, like send your website to the group before we meet. Like you can send it tomorrow, or if you can send it tonight, just send it before we meet so that I can check. I just want to see if you can create your menu. I want to see if you can create your categories. I want to see if you can create your children sub menu and all that. Just what I did now. I want you to do it and post it. Like when you do it, send your own when you do it, send your own website to the group. Just send your domain to the group, zuka.loveswork.com, or anyone your own is. Just send it to the group. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so now it has opened. Let me show us how to post briefly before we finally call it a day. So I will post my title here. This is the title of my write-up: Corruption in Nigeria, the rot within and the way out. So this is my title: Corruption in Nigeria, the rot within and the way out is my title. Okay, don't worry, I generated this with AI. So let me copy the body now. Okay, so this is my body. I will paste the body now. Paste. All right, so now I have written my blog post. I have blah 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 blah. This is the body. This is my title. Then from here downward is my body. So if you have time, you can delete all these lines because I use AI, so it's bringing the line. So you get, so just arrange it the way you want. All right, so it will become this way. But in my blog post, it will be nice I have a picture. So to have picture, I want to add picture, let's say after the first paragraph. To have picture after the first paragraph, I can come in front of this line, in front of this last word there in my paragraph. What's the last word there? Are we seeing my screen? What's the last word there?
Reforms.
Okay, so you see where the cursor is blinking now. So I'll put my cursor there and hit enter on the keyboard like Microsoft Word. So it will create a space. Then when it creates a space, you will take your cursor to the box. When you take your cursor to the box, you will see a thick black plus here. A thick black plus. If you see that thick black plus, you will click it. When you click it now, you will now say image. Just look for, because I want to add picture, so I will look for image. When you look for image, you will see it. Just click. Now it will bring this dialog box. This box, you see upload, the dialog box, upload media library, insert from URL, blah blah blah. Upload means I want to bring it from my system. Media library means I already uploaded it on my website before. I just want to pick it and use it. Insert URL, insert from URL means you have the picture somewhere on the internet. You just want to copy the link to the image and insert here. So let me say upload. Then it will open my library. Let me just upload anything. Let me open this. Okay, so I picked this one out from my system. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see I have inserted image now. But now let me take you back to Punch so that I will show you something. Can you see Punch website now? Now if you can see Punch website now, you see this man here. See the title. You know this is news. So before you read the news, you will see a picture. Either you see Rolando, you see Messi, even before you read the news. For example, if you check this section now, this after 31 years, federal government hands over houses to 1994 Super Eagles heroes. This section here. Now this picture, we call them featured images. All these pictures you see before you even click the news to read is called featured image. Do you get that? Hello, do we get that?
Yo.
Okay. So to add my featured image, I will come to the right hand side here and click post. So you see set featured image. I will click on the featured image. Let me use any image, but let me still use the same image. Are we seeing my screen? Hello, can we see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I said right hand side here. Let me remove it again. You will see under post, you will see set featured image. So you will click, then you select any image you want to use as your featured image. Then you say set featured image. Now you see it here, it has appeared here. Now it means this is the image they will see even before they click the news to read. Then you scroll down again. Here we have categories. What they're asking us now is this post now belongs to which category? I'll say it belongs to politics, it belongs to election. Let me just say politics and election. Now it means when you click on politics, this post will be there. If you click on sport now, you will not find this post there because this post does not belong to sport. Then again, we have tags. Tags means there are some words that people will come to your website to type. That you want it to lead them to this post. Something like corruption. Then you put comma. When you put comma now, it will assume that's number one. Okay, I think there is a mistake in that corruption. Corruption, comma. Problems in Nigeria, comma, like that. So you can add as many as possible. Then when you add it, you click on publish. When you click publish the first time, it will come again. Now they ask you, do you want to schedule this post? Meaning, do you want to post it right now, or you want to post it? You want it to post automatically tomorrow. If you want to post it tomorrow, you click on the immediately. It will open time and it will open calendar. So you can choose when you want the post to appear on your blog. But for me, I want it to post now. So I will just say, I won't mind. I will just hide the. You don't need to go there if you want to post it right away. Then I will click on publish. Now if I click on publish now, let me go back to my website. Let me share this tab. Now see my website now. Okay, can you see the post now on my website? Hello, can we see my website now?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, now if I click it now, that's when I will read the complete story. But now let me show you here. If I go to entertainment, music, nothing will be there. It will tell me empty. But because I put it under politics, it's under election too. So when I click any of them now, it will display. So you see now, it's still showing me the news. See it here, it's still showing me. It is under politics. So if I go to entertainment now under music, you will not find it there. So you see, there aren't any posts currently published in this category. Why? Because I did not put it under music. This music here, I only put it under politics and election. Okay. Now, you will also post one. If it is to come and watch the video, or if you get it as we have said it, just make sure create your categories, then post. When you post, you know what you do? You will go to the post, read the news, like read it as if you are reading news on somebody's website. Let me read my news now. So to read it, I'll just click it. When I click it, it will open. Okay, see my complete story now. This is my complete story. You get it? So it is when you are reading this place now, you will send me this link. I will send it to the group now. This link now, you will send it to me. Like you will send it to the group, sorry. Send the link to the group. You will send the link to the group the way I've done now. So if you check the group now, I sent a link that if you click, it will open a blog post. So what you are doing now on your website, you are creating menus, categories, you are arranging it as it should be. Then you are posting at least one. Then you send me the link to their website. Just send me the post link, just like something I sent to you now, and that's all. Don't let me bombard us too much. We still have some things to do, but just do this one. If you can do this one and you achieve it, then I'll be so sure that we are moving forward. Okay, do we get that?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I've recorded it. I've recorded this. Just take your time. Since you have attended the class, it will be very easy if you are watching it.